is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your credit score on TD app. Here's how you can easily check your credit score in the TD Bank app. So in the app, just log into your account, and in the home page, just scroll down, and in the bottom right corner, you can see the more icon. Just click on it. And under the products and services section, you can easily credit score. Just click on it. You're also going to need to agree to the terms and conditions. And from here, you should now be able to see the credit score page where you can easily view and access your credit score. You can also see from here your score history. And not just that, you can also see where you're standing. From this page, you can see your credit score standing, where you're ranked, together with the other users. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!